Welcome to the video, guys. Thanks for coming to the channel. So, what we're going to be looking at right now is the S&P 500, guys. Let's go on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, you can definitely see that it was a double bottom, and it broke out and retested the 200 EMA. And since it's retesting the 200 EMA, we are waiting for, the response. We're waiting to see if it's going to break past it or just retest it and, break up to the upside. Now let's go back down to the hourly. All right. I would have gone to the, 4 hour, but no. So, as you can see, this is even better. Okay. It definitely retested the double bottom and hit support at 402. So right now what we're looking for is it to break either to the upside or the downside, guys. We're not going to make any solid predictions. We're just, watching and accepting whatever happens. Okay, and yeah, if it decides to break up to the upside, so this is what the lines are for. If it decides to break up to the upside, I'm expecting it to go to around 431. And that's because that is the next line of resistance up there. So that's exactly what I'm predicting. As you can see, I put this beautiful trend line on top of the whole pattern that's been going on for the past year, pretty much for every month, and it seems to be a solid line. Like it's a solid, consistent pattern. So I'm definitely expecting it to follow suit. But that's only if it decides to go to the upside. Now, if it decides to go to the downside, we are waiting to see if it breaks past the 402 support line. And we didn't put a support line, but that's, as you can see, the double bottom, that's where, yeah. So if it breaks through there, we will see it go to probably 393, which is somewhere around the 200 EMA. And if it breaks through that, we are expecting it to go down to 370, you guys. Now, if it goes any further than that, we're expecting 348, but it might just stop around 355, 356. 357, somewhere around that area. But but we just see the reason why I'm saying all these numbers because we have this candlestick right here. These candlesticks kind of like poked out a little bit, but a lot of consistency in the level seems to be around 357. So somewhere around there. If it breaks to the downside. Now, if it does break down there, guys, it is going to be I believe, 14% movement. Let's go right now and see where it is. Around there, and then we go down. That will be a 14.42% movement to the downside. Now, if it decides to go toward the upside, right now, we will see it do what is that? That's about a 6.28% movement. So yeah, definitely a greater move to the downside. If it does decide to go to the bottom, guys, I will be buying up a lot more of my favorite stocks at very attractive prices. Not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna pull up the RSI. And from the looks of the RSI, my guys, from the looks of the RSI, you can clearly see, let me try to make this bigger. From the looks of the RSI, you can clearly see that this is definitely closer to the upside, closer to the 70 line. So that means that it's most likely going to be going down to the 30. Okay, it's gonna be going down to the bottom. Okay, if not, it's gonna stop somewhere around the middle and go up. But I don't see that happening. RSIs, the way they work is, it might have a little hesitation, but eventually it will go down. But it's no telling, no telling. But yeah, right now looking at the RSI, and it just broke out of that moving average on the RSI, the 14 SMA, I believe. Yeah, so I definitely see it breaking down to the downside. It's just retesting right now as far as what I'm seeing on the RSI is retesting the 14 SMA, and it's going to the bottom side. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing the bottom side is more likely on this. So right now we're just waiting and we're going to see. And I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Right now, we're just talking about the S&P 500, the overall general market. If any individual stocks happen to have any, very volatile movements because of news, then we will be probably going over those as well and just taking a look into those just for the fun of it. But yeah, this is not investment advice. This is for fun and entertainment. Please do not make trades based off what I'm saying. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investments decisions and all that stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.